Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. I've already gone and done my weekly grocery shopping. It's all put away and I'm getting ready for the day. Last night I prepared a kind of a new recipe, not new recipe to me, but a different recipe of butter chicken. And I served that over jasmine rice. Oh, it was excellent. Most excellent. I did swap out the plain yogurt for sour cream. It works. Tonight, I'm going back to staying in the Asian continent. I'm doing Durban Chicken Curry. Yeah, there's a lot of masalas and curries going through the house. I'm actually using a new blend that I discovered and I put together yesterday. One of the blends I put together. It is and will be available at casualchef.us. Let's get to it. Got the good old Dutch oven out. Yeah. Got some chicken. Got to have chicken for Durban chicken. Oil, garlic, yellow onion, tomato, potato, and some green peas. All right, this is the fun part. Cumin seed, fenugreek, also known as methi, M-E-T-H-I, mustard seed, curry leaves, which I picked up at LA Merchandise, my new Kashmiri masala, turmeric, ground coriander, ground cumin, some good old Indian red chili powder, and some dried mint. So those are the goodies for tonight. As you can see here, I'm working on another blend. This is actually one of my established blends, but I'm be blending. This is going to be turned into jerk seasoning blend. So yeah, I'm staying busy. Wow, I got a lot to do today. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.